start from the beginning of how to make a solo.
Okay.
Oh, so all the way over here. Over there.
Duolingo is not a game, Ludwig.
It's a way of life. I've never seen a man light up as quickly as Ludwig did when she said Kokokara 3 times back to back.
Dude, she was going crazy. She was like, she was actually singing too much.
As a native individual, you can say that.
Yeah, you.
Too much. Too much.
Could I say?
はい、お願いします。で、本日使用しますのは北海道は幌加内町ですね。日本で一番寒いところのお蕎麦となります。で、生産量は日本で一番となってます。皆様よくご存知の旭山動物園ね、そのすぐそばそば畑というところからこちらのお蕎麦やってきました。
Just to compile everything together and make a ball.
で、そしたらここ手についたものをしっかり。で、その時に手に。
From your fingertips as ball, make sure they drop off and make sure they're all in the ball.
Get that Ludwig DNA in there. Get that DNA. Get that Mogul moves in there.
Essence of Mogul. There we
Get
go.
that Mogul DNA in there.
Oh yeah, you're eating my DNA today.
Oh, God.
Jesus, man. I gotta stop talking for a while.
I know, and I speak is a bit language a bit, and
I like to teach the youth.
make sure everything everywhere is 1 centimeter round.
Strong, sexy European man.
This doesn't take strength. This is a finesse
We
check.
make young, sexy udon for anyone to eat.
Udon, we're making soba.
Shit. It's different, apparently.
It is. Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
Keep running it. Keep running it. Keep running it.
もう少し好きです。こちら、このくらい、このくらい。
Oh.
あ、もうちょっとね。
ちょっとね。
Oh, you're saying look at the
OK ですよ。
products?
はい。あ、とても綺麗です。
Very, very
Very
beautiful.
とて
beautiful.
も
Very beautiful.
綺麗です。
Very
ね
beautiful.
はい。で、1センチくらいになりました
Oh yeah, that's
ら
1 centimeter.
今手でやっていただいている作業を